In a pot, saute your onions, celery, ginger, and garlic. Add your olive oil. Once they're softened, add your chicken breasts. Add your stock, apple cider vinegar, carrots, crushed red pepper. Leave out the crushed red pepper if you don't like spicy. Ground turmeric. And add some salt. Bring it to a boil and then simmer for 20 minutes. Take your chicken out and shred it. Add your parsley. Add your broccoli. Add your chicken back in. Chicken tax. Simmer until the broccoli softens. Transfer to a dish and you're done. Ingredients in the comments.